Hello. I'm just hanging out doing my work and thought I'd get Leapo out, and Hunter is so interested. Be gentle. Gentle. No snapping. You're just crawling around on my keyboard. What? What is that? You just stretch yourself out. Gentle. Gentle with Leapo. You're just gonna crawl around on the table, huh? Hey, can't see. There he goes. We got a very messy table, as you could see. Come back here. Here he is. Isn't he precious? Hi, Leapo. He likes scratches right here. Yeah. Getting nervous. Oh! It's alright. There you go. It's a very messy table because I homeschool. And so there's all kinds of schoolwork on the table. Oh, hey, don't knock him off. Jeez. Don't knock me off. What did we knock off? Oh, the mouse for my computer. Thank you. I have been bitten by Leapo, so I know it's not pleasant. It was an accident. He grabbed my finger instead of the bug, but do not want to do it again. Alrighty. Yes, I know. You just love him, don't you? Just like want to eat him, huh? Bye, Leapo.